Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give 2 tips for preventing cough and itchy head. The first tip is for cough. Drinking lemon juice and honey mixed with hot water cures the cough. எலுமிச்சை சாறுடன் தேனை வெந்நீரில் கலந்து சாப்பிட்டு வந்தால் இருமல் நிற்கும். Second one, preventing itchy head. Rubbing hibiscus juice mixed with lemon juice on head cures itchy head. செம்பருத்தி சாறு எலுமிச்சை சாறு கலந்து அடிக்கடி தலைக்கு தேய்த்து வந்தால் தலை அரித்தல் நீங்கும். 5 benefits of lemon. It promotes hydration. It's a good source of vitamin C. It improves skin quality. It aids digestion. It helps prevent kidney stones. 5 benefits of hibiscus. It is an antioxidant. May help lower blood pressure. May boost liver health. May help prevent cancer. Could help fight bacteria. Thank you. 5 benefits of honey. Honey promotes burn and wound healing. Honey contains some nutrients. High quality honey is rich in antioxidants. The antioxidants in it can help lower blood pressure. Honey helps improve good cholesterol. If you like this video, please subscribe and ring the bell.